Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
Hey friends, thank you all so much for joining me today. So I'm in my guest bedroom and I'm going to take you along with me as I do some decorating and also some cleaning for the holiday season. Last week I took you along with me as I did some cleaning and decorating for the master bedroom, and I think everything turned out just so nice and cozy. Thank you all for the lovely comments that you've left. I really appreciate it. I'm a firm believer that whenever you have guests or family or friends or whoever come over to your home, that you should also make it just as nice as your space as well. So if you need to get some cleaning or decorating done, take me along with you. We're going to have some fun together. All right, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and jump right on into today's video. So this is a quick look at how a guest bedroom looks. I absolutely love the neutral and teal colors mixed in here together. I feel the neutral colors along with the added teal makes the room just feel so cozy, clean, and very comfortable for when I guess when they're staying over. I'm going to be cleaning and adding some holiday cheer inside of our guest bedroom so that when our guests come over, they can feel that extra sparkle of the holiday spirit. I'm starting first by taking off our sheets, covers, pillowcases, and I'm going to go ahead and place them in the washer and dryer. We just had some guests to visit, so I like to make sure that I always clean after a guest comes, to make sure that it's nice and clean for our next guests. So actually, hubby stepped right on in and helped me with cleaning the bed linens. He's always a big help. So while he helped with cleaning the linens, I started dusting, cleaning, and vacuuming the guest bedroom. Sometimes window sills can go neglected, so I made sure to carefully wipe, clean, and sanitize mine. I know that when I visit a guest home or even a hotel, those fresh window sills always make me feel like the room has been properly taken care of and very clean. Guys, we are getting down with it. I'm also cleaning my baseboards. This is something else that can also go neglected, especially when a room is not being used that often. So we're getting it all done and clean today. Okay, so I'm also wiping down my doors. I'm going to wipe down the inside as well as the outside because a lot of times some people can leave their handprints, not knowingly, but we want to make sure we get that clean as well. So I took a little break here while hubby helped me out with setting up the Wi-Fi for our guests that visit. I told y'all we were going to have some fun. It's the holiday time, and I'm sure we can all find something to smile about. Let me know in the comment section, what's that something that makes you smile no matter what? For me, it's my family and all the love that we share. I would love to read all of your comments. I've also placed a small basket inside the guest room so that guests can know exactly where to place their used towels and cloths. This makes it so easy for them and also for me, so I can just pick up and go.
Drive alone in December rain, they play my favorite song.
So I'm getting ready to vacuum the floor as well as the mattress and also a guest chair that I have here in the room. I want to just make sure that everything is clean, take my time and just get it all done. And if you're still here and you're still watching, I hope that you will consider subscribing to the channel. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and we would love to have you a part of the family. All right, so we're getting a lot of work done. I am a little sweaty, but guess what? It's okay. It's a good sweat. So we're just gonna go ahead and jump right back on into it, okay?
When the neighbors call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far, you're close. I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Deck the house. That's when the snow starts falling. I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a star.
I'm using this mini vacuum cleaner to help me reach those hard to reach places inside the mattress. I want to make sure that our guests feel absolutely comfortable and wonderful whenever they're staying over.
When we were small, someone's been here and there. The stockings were all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but to
Whenever guests are staying over, I try my best to make sure that they have all of their essentials in case that they forget theirs. So now I'm adding some mini toothbrushes along with some toothpaste. I'm also adding some decorated pieces along with some matching towels to match the decor in the room and other hygienic necessities I feel my guests might need.
Christmas, why you so far, you're close. I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Can't wait to head back home. When the neighbors call, I hit the road. Baby, let it snow. We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far, you're close. I think I hear them call. So baby, let it snow. Drive alone in December rain, they play my favorite song. I see a snowflake.
So now I'm adding some teal cloths to finish complementing the teal color throughout the room.
For the holiday, counting days until you're here. I've been waiting this whole year. Dear Christmas, Christmas.
Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using this decorated basket that I often use throughout the season to help me decorate. I'm going to add some Christmas decor, a candle, box tissue, along with some little treats for our guests. I love myself personally walking into a bedroom knowing that the guest has especially prepared it for me, so I want to give my guests that same feeling too.
We're ready for Christmas. Why you so far, you're close.
I found this really cute clock off of Amazon along with this beautiful holiday decor book. They both add so much character and elegance to this guest bedroom.
When the snow starts falling, I pick all the presents up for you. Decorate the fireplace for two. I keep waiting all night, all night. Wish upon a starlight, starlight. I sleep under the mistletoe. Wake me up with a kiss on my nose. It feels so magical, yeah, like when we were small. Someone's been here and there. The stockings were all. Christmas, Christmas, Christmas night. I know you may suffer like, but together we're alright. You know we're
Okay, so now that our bed linens are all nicely washed and dried, hubby and I are going to go ahead and place them back on the bed. But first we need to get a little pillow fighting in, you know?
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay. Merry Christmas, honey.
Now I'm decorating a small Christmas tree in the guest bedroom. This tree is only 4 feet tall, but I think it adds just the right amount of character and holiday cheer to the room. I'm also reusing some teal and silver ornaments that I used last year, and I'm going to go ahead and place the tree right next to the door so that when guests first open it, this will be the first thing that they see. I'm also going to add these silver stems to the top of the tree to give it a finished and bright look.
Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah.
Okay, friends, so we're at the end of today's video. I hope that I've given you some motivation and rejuvenation to get some holiday cleaning and decorating done too. To my returning subscribers, thank you all so much for being here. And if you're new here to the channel, don't you forget to hit that subscribe button. We would love to have you. I'll see all of you on the next video.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Ooh, yeah, there's room at the table for big and for small. All the fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah. Merry Christmas, baby. There's something that happens when something that happens when December ends, when December ends, yeah, yeah. Oh, it's Merry Christmas, baby. Merry Christmas, baby. It's Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's Merry Christmas, baby. Yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.